Friends, check out this video. It was created completely free using one single all-in-one AI tool, and its name is Vidnoz AI. Yes, it's one of the best and 100% free AI tools out there. In today's video, I'll show you step-by-step how you can use Vidnoz AI to generate awesome videos for free. And the best part? You can also edit your videos right inside this tool, no extra apps needed. So let's not waste any more time. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Open the website first, go to the Vidnoz AI website. I've added the link in the video description for you. Once you're there, click on Products and you'll see a list of powerful features. Vidnoz AI Video Generator Image Creation Studio, and so much more. Step 2. AI Image Creation. Let's start with the Image Creation tool. Just click on it and a cool studio interface will open up. On the left side, you'll see several options, like image to video, text to video, and more. But first, we'll create a cool AI image. Log in using your Google account. Don't worry, it gives you free credits to create images and videos. Now grab some image prompts. You can use ChatGPT to get amazing ones. Just ask, "Give me some cool prompts for AI-generated images." Copy the prompt and paste it into the image creation box. Then choose your style, aspect ratio. I recommend 16:9 for videos, and image quality. If you use the Pro version, it'll give you ultra-high quality results. But even the free one is awesome. Hit Generate and just wait a few seconds. Boom! Your stunning image is ready. Check it out. Download 2 or 3 images just like this, whichever ones you like best. Step 3. Text to video next. Open the text to video option. Get a prompt, your script. You can write your own idea, or better yet, use ChatGPT to help you out. Just type, "Give me a creative text prompt to turn into an AI video." Copy that prompt once you have it. Paste your prompt now. Paste your text prompt into the box inside Vidnoz's text to video tool. Customize your video. Now it's time to personalize your video settings. Background music. Choose relaxing, dramatic, or energetic depending on your story style. Voiceover. Select a voice. There are male, female, professional, and even emotional tones available. Hit Generate. After setting everything, click the big Generate button and let the magic begin. Vidnoz will now process your text, turn it into a complete scene with animated visuals, voiceover, background sound, and smooth transitions. Just wait 2-4 minutes depending on your prompt length. Boom! My God! Your full video is now ready. And it looks absolutely amazing. You didn't draw anything. You didn't record anything. You just wrote a prompt and bam! Cinematic video delivered. Download your video, click Download, save the file to your device, and move to the next step. You can repeat this step to create multiple scenes for your story or series. Step 4. Image to video. Bring your pictures to life. Now this step is going to blow your mind. We're turning still images into animated videos using Vidnoz AI's image to video tool. Upload your image. Select any image you created earlier, or use any custom image you like. It can be a character, car, city view, fantasy creature, whatever your story needs. Choose a model from the list of AI models, select Vidnoz Max. It's the most powerful and gives super realistic motion and animations. Set video length. You can choose how long the animation should be. For short scenes, 5 seconds works best. But if you're creating something cinematic, go for longer. Select Output Quality, choose High Quality for crystal clear visuals. Even in the free version, it looks stunning. Click on Generate, and then just wait a few seconds. Boom! Your still image has been magically turned into an animated video clip with smooth motion and cinematic flow. Now download your video and repeat the process for other images too. It's like stitching together a real animated movie, one scene at a time. Step 5. Video editing. Final step. Now for the final touch. Let's edit the videos. Go back to the home page, click on Products, and select the video editor. Once it opens, click Add New Scene, choose Blank Page. Go to the video section and upload your clips. Add transitions, music, text, or effects, whatever you like. Finally, click Export to save your final video. And there you go, your complete video is ready. So how was this tutorial? I hope you loved it. If yes, don't forget to subscribe for more amazing guides like this. And remember, Vidnoz AI is one of the best free all-in-one tools out there. Don't miss it. See you in the next video. Bye.